Good morning, children. Our next lesson is water. Okay, people in some villages and in some areas, there is scarcity of drinking water. So people will go very long distances for drinking water, and they will carry from their water pots. It is so difficult to carry those water pots and walk. Okay, it is so difficult to walk by carrying those water pots. So people in those areas and villages, they are using the water preciously. So we also must use water preciously for the next generations. Okay, we use water for drinking. Okay, if you had not taken water for a couple of hours, we are feeling thirsty. Okay, and we are experiencing the dryness in our body. Okay, not only that, to perform our day to day activities we need water. The day to day activities means for brushing, bathing, cleaning the utensils, cleaning the floors, washing the clothes, cooking the food. For cooking the food also we need water. Then for example, for boiling the rice, for boiling the vegetables. Okay, we need water. That means that for cooking the food also we need water. Okay, the uses of water is classified into domestic use. Domestic use means these will all comes under the domestic use. For example, domestic uses means for brushing, bathing, cleaning. Okay, cleaning the utensils, cleaning the floors, washing the clothes, cleaning the toilets. Okay, cooking the food. These are all comes under the domestic uses of water. Next, in human body. 70% of human body weight contains water. 70% of body weight contains the water, and our body requires 2 to 3 liters of water per day. Our body requires 2 to 3 liters of water per day to regulate the temperature of our body and to maintain the systems of our body properly. For the proper functioning of the systems in our body requires 2 to 3 liters per day. To maintain the functioning properly, what are those functions? Means blood circulations, okay, and digestion system, and the removal of toxins from the body. To remove the toxins from the body also, our body requires water. That means for the excretion purpose, and for the digestion system, and for the nervous system, our body needs water. For the functioning of those systems properly, we need, our body requires 2 to 3 liters of water per day. So we must drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day. Next, agriculture purpose. Agriculture purpose, to water the crops and to mix with the fertilizers and pesticides we need water. And in industries to generate electricity. Okay, in the industry so much of heat is generated. To cool the systems, water is needed. Okay, to generate the electricities, and in the steam engines. Okay, and in the preparation of the chemicals, and in some other implements in the industries, water is needed. Next one is measure of volume of water. Measure of volume of water. See, for taking the bath, if a person is using 2 buckets of water, and for drinking he is using 6 glasses or 8 glasses a day. And okay, that means if he is taking 3 bottles of water for cooking, but bottles, that buckets and glasses. These are not the measure of volume of water. The specific unit of measure of volume of water is liters. Okay, the specific unit of measure of volume of water or any other liquids is liters and milliliters. See, if water packet is there, it is about 200 milliliters. If bottles are there, half ml, 500 ml, or 1 liter, or 2 liter bottles we can see. And if okay, water cans, it is 5 liters. 10 liters, 20 liters are available. Okay, the specific unit of measure of volume of water is water or any other liquid is liters and milliliters. Okay, that means water in our houses and in shops, they are measured in liters and milliliters. Next, gallon. Gallon, it is the measure of volume of water in the water tanks. In the water tanks, water in the water tanks volume is measured in gallons. Next, feet. Water in the reservoirs. In the reservoirs, water volume is measured in feet. Next, cusacks. Cusacks means cubic centimeter per second. Cubic centimeter per second. Cusacks. This is the measure of volume of water released from the dams and projects. Okay, water in the houses and shops is measured in liters and milliliters. Gallon, it is the measure of volume of water in the water tanks. Feet is the measure of volume of water in the reservoirs. And cusacks are cubic centimeter per second. That means this is the measure of volume of water released from the dams and projects. Next, how much of water do we use daily? How much of water do we use daily? Okay, approximately how much a person uses water per day? Okay, for drinking, he uses 2 liters, and for toilets 10 liters, and for bathing 30 liters, and for washing clothes 60 liters. Okay, and other purpose, that for cooking food, for washing hands, for cleaning the floor, 80 liters. Total quantity of water used by a person per day approximately is 2 liters for drinking, 10 liters for toilets, 30 liters for bath, 60 liters for washing clothes, and 80 liters for other purpose. Okay, totally 140, 40, 80, 60, 140, 182 liters. Approximately per day, the uses of water by a person is 182 liters. Okay. Approximately a person uses water, the quantity of water used by a person per day is 182 liters. For suppose in a colony, if there are 100 people, and in a village there are 5,000 people, approximately the quantity of water used by colony people per day is 100 into 182. Okay, that means 18,200 liters. The water approximately, the water used by colony people is 18,200 liters, and approximately the water used by village people per day is 18257. 9,10,000 liters. Nine lakh 10,000 liters. Okay. Next, approximately water used by colony people per month and water used by village people per month. Per month, colony people, water uses by colony people, and per month water used by village people. See, 18,200 into 30 and 9,10,000 into 30. It was a 6, that is a 24. 5,46,000 liters of water used, approximately 5,46,000 liters of water used by colony people per month. Okay, and okay, the quantity amount of the amount of water, the quantity of water used by village people per month is this much liters. Okay, that means in the same way we can calculate the water used in year by colony people and in the village people. Okay, now we can easily imagine. Okay, we can adapt this to imagine the water used in the world. Okay, thank you.